I'm Dorothy Fraser of GoldenRadianceNow.com, and this is a message from the beautiful owl, and there's my beautiful cat there, Ruby, with this message from the animals. As we merge more and more into the fifth dimensional frequency, the owls, who are the wisdom keepers, will be able to share with you in your dreams and telepathically, because we're telepathic beings. I send the way animals share messages or receive messages from us, as well as hands and word, is vision. So I speak to beautiful Ruby through images all the time. Like I'll show her constantly, I'm about to go to the beach, so you're welcome to stay outside while I'm there, or come in. I let her know what the rollout is through the images. Always showing that. So without being a wisdom keeper, you'll be able to have telepathic communication as you evolve into your fifth dimensional self. Pure thought, pure consciousness. There'll be nothing stopping you from having direct, clear imagery and understanding of the language of the animals, the language of the owl. So you can get direct communication downloads through your vision, through your hearing, and through your sensing. The wisdom keeper, beautiful wisdom keeper here. So if Creator has permission to align you to the wisdom keepers around the world, the owls, and so that you allow yourself to really sense, see, hear, and know their wisdom, and that to really strengthen your ability to have clear telepathic communication with the animal kingdom. Would that be a yes? I say yes. Thank you, owl. I was just chanting on Mane Padme Hum, which is to pay homage to the Buddha within. You have a beautiful time with your telepathic communications with owl and your fifth dimensional glorious self. Glory life, God bless.